everyone, I'm Xie from Jinan Mingshi Machinery Equipment Company. Our company can provide customers a machine like logo, like color, and our company can provide OEM and ODM. And the September Punchy Festival is start. Our company can give you lots of discount. And this machine is 3050 laser cutting machine. This machine can cut different materials like stainless steels and carbonless steels and aluminum brands, and different materials need different powers. Our machine can provide 1000 watts, 1500 watts, 2000, 3000, and the max power can be 10,000 power. And our machine use Richard's laser hand and max laser hand laser source and the CYP cut control system. If you want another brand, you can contact us. Our machine can use 20 years. And if you want to know some specification of our machines, you can contact us. Thank you.